morning, comrades. My name is Mercy Ihuoma Okezie. I'm the chairperson, National Women Commission of Nigeria Labour Congress. I'm also a director of entrepreneurship and empowerment, Ministry of Youth Development and Sports, Abia State, Nigeria. Things that have changed in Nigeria since we came back with an all-inclusive, powerful instrument, that is Convention 190 and Recommendation 206, elimination of violence and harassment of persons in the world of work. First, increased awareness and participation of women in issues of all forms of violence and harassment. Secondly, visible and conscious inclusion and mobilization of women in the informal and low-income workforce, which is given birth to increased activism, issue-based mobilization. More women have joined the fight against gender-based violence. Thirdly, intensified collaborative fight for justice, equity, and equality by women-based organizations, CSOs, NGOs, labor, and partners like the Solidarity Center in the fight for decent work. 4. There is increased advocacy and legislation for positive gender policies, laws prosecuting gender-based violence offenses. There is increased public outcry against gender-based violence, even a name and shame register created in institutions and public places. On what the union is doing, the Nigerian Labour Congress have strategically mainstreamed the Convention 190 and Recommendation 206 into all programs, activities, and events to popularize and continuously sensitize our members and all workers. There has been statutory meetings, every statutory meetings, the 16 days activism of 2019, the International Women's Day 2020, even the decent work of 2019 were all utilized effectively. Stakeholders, trainings, and workshops have been going on. There has been continuous media engagement with a lot of press releases. Going forward, the novel COVID-19 pandemic have exposed a lot of gender-based violence and harassment, poor working conditions, occupational health and safety issues. So, Nigerian Labour Congress and affiliates are engaging government, employers, and other stakeholders to sustain employment and other economic issues. Nigerian Labour Congress is also engaging in a multi-sectoral guideline to tackle the effects of the pandemic. We are developing instruments for data collection and research.